What's something people don't know about car brands in 2024? Some are leaving Toyota in the dust. Let's check them out. First up, Lexus. Known for its rock-solid reliability, Lexus tops the charts with the fewest problems per 100 vehicles. If you're all about dependability, Lexus is your go-to. Surprise! Subaru isn't just for adventurers anymore. With reliability scores through the roof, Subaru is taking the lead, challenging Toyota's long-held reign. Zooming into the future, Tesla's not just about cool tech. Their reliability is climbing fast, making them a hot pick for tech lovers and eco-warriors alike. Kia, yes, Kia. They've seriously upped their game with reliability and features that are hard to beat. If you want bang for your buck, Kia's got you covered. BMW, the epitome of luxury and performance. With top-notch innovation, especially in electric vehicles, BMW is a stellar alternative to Toyota for those seeking a mix of style and substance. Porsche, need we say more? Consistent performance and premium features keep Porsche at the top of its game. Luxury meets reliability here, and last but not least, Hyundai. With innovative models and a strong presence in the World Car Awards, Hyundai is proving it's not just about value, but cutting-edge tech too. So there you have it, 7 car brands outshining Toyota in 2024. What's your favorite car brand? Drop it in the comments and let us know why. Like, share, and subscribe for more car talk.